Hey there, this is Jeremy, Hackachain's AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Opact wallet and perform your initial transactions. And just before we start, I'd like to bring some previous information about Opact Wallet so that you understand exactly what is going on here. Opact Wallet was designed with the goal of providing users a way to perform private transactions on the Kadena blockchain. But it is important to understand that despite the name Opact Wallet, it doesn't really work like a regular wallet that you're used to. And why is that? While a regular crypto wallet acts like a middleware between the blockchain and the user, and it's built on top of the core blockchain protocol, Opact Wallet is actually an account abstraction constructed as a smart contract. And well, we are not going to go deep into the technology on this video and what's going behind the scenes. But what you do need to know is that Opact Wallet won't be able to perform all the activities that you're used to with your regular wallet, while on the other hand, it brings you new benefits. What you can do with Opact Wallet includes depositing and withdrawing tokens and NFTs to a regular Kadena wallet, and performing internal transactions with another Opact wallets. It means sending and receiving tokens and NFTs from other Opact wallets. The greatest benefit here is that your transactions won't be traceable. It means you'll be completely private on chain when using Opact Wallet. So after this introduction, let's create our wallet and see how it works. Okay, so here I'm in the app. This is the testnet version, and we're going to set up our wallet right here. It works similarly to how a regular wallet works. You're going to generate a secure passphrase that's going to give you access to your wallet, and it's important that you keep it somewhere safe, because if you lose your passphrase, you lose access to your wallet, and thus you might lose the funds that you have deposited into the wallet. So keep it somewhere safe, verify your passphrase, and this is how you create your wallet. So here we are at the Opact Wallet. You can see that it's a really simple dashboard. You have the home, you have a history where you're going to be able to see all of your transactions, you have your balance that is going to be displayed in USD, and you can perform simple actions here like sending and receiving funds. Since we are in testnet, you might want to get some faucet tokens, and I would like to point out that these faucet tokens that you're going to get are going to be sent to your regular wallet. In this case, I'm using Echo Wallet. I'm getting 100 tokens to my Echo Wallet so that I can deposit these faucet tokens into my Opact Wallet later. Okay, so now I've added 100 KDA into my Echo Wallet testnet account. We are actually using Hackachain's DevNet for this test, so it's not going to appear here, but the KDA balance is in there. The first action that I want to perform into my Opact wallet is receiving tokens. I can choose between token and NFT. I'm just going to use tokens here. I can receive funds from either a regular wallet or from another Opact wallet. We're going to use a regular wallet because you might not have another Opact wallet or a friend with an Opact wallet at this point. So let's say I want to get 99 tokens. Since I just got 100 of them into my testnet wallet, and I want to save some to pay for gas fees, I could copy and share this payment link so that anyone can connect their wallet and perform the payments. This is a way of doing that, and it's interesting if you want to receive payments from another person, but in this case, I'm just going to connect my wallet to deposit the funds into the Opact wallet. So just click deposit now. We are doing some cryptographic mathematics in the back end, using zero-knowledge proofs to keep your privacy. And that's it. I've just deposited 99 KDA tokens into my Opact wallet, which accounts for almost $70 US today. Well, I could also receive funds from another Opact wallet address, and this basically configures an internal transaction inside the smart contract. Just a parenthesis here, in this case, you'd be transacting inside Opact Wallet's smart contract, and this would keep your transaction 100% private. When you are depositing or withdrawing from a regular wallet, it's possible to see that the transactions parameters on the smart contract, even though it's not possible to link the deposit and the withdrawal. The same does not happen if you perform a transaction from an Opact wallet to an Opact wallet, because internal transactions are private. Well, continuing the transaction, I could either copy and share my public Opact wallet address. I can also do that through the account button. So I could just send it to a friend, and they would be able to deposit into my account, or I could generate a payment link. I'll just add the amount and get a payment link that could also be sent to a friend that already has an Opact wallet. Another thing I can do here is to perform a send transaction. In this case, I'm using another Opact wallet address that I have. And you can see that it starts with OZK, while the Kadena address starts with K. Now I can send some tokens. Let's say I'll send 5 tokens to my other Opact wallet. The transaction takes a few seconds since we're creating a ZK proof to keep the privacy. And now I can see in the History tab that the transaction has been performed. I could also send tokens to my regular KDA wallet, and this would configure a withdrawal from the Opact Protocol, and it will be seen as a withdrawal transaction into the smart contract. So I'll just add another 5 here, and this time I'm going to send to a regular wallet. As I said, it's not going to show up on my wallet right now because we're using HackerChain's DevNet. My balance should be 89 KDA right now. And here it is. I can see here in the history that the transaction was completed. Alright guys, this is basically what you can do with Opact Wallet right now. If you want to understand exactly what is going on behind the scenes, I suggest you watching our technical explanation about the project. And well, I hope you like the application, and feel free to reach us with any questions, feedbacks, or anything you'd like to discuss with us. Thank you.